How to fix TikTok sound removed or muted. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, let's go ahead and update our app. Head over to your Play Store and search for TikTok. If you see update, tap on update and update your app. Head over to your TikTok application and get logged into your TikTok account. From here, tap onto your profile icon, then tap on three bar icon here and tap on settings. Here you will see account. Tap on account and tap on switch to business account. You can also temporarily switch your primary account to your business account and try using this feature and see if this fixes your sound removed problem on your TikTok videos. Give it any name that you would like, then tap on next. You can skip this adding bio and email address step. Now let's go ahead and open up our profile and refresh the page. Try uploading the same video again and that shall fix the problem. And on the side note, only use music that are copyright free. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.